Alright, this is a 1977 Ford Maverick. I just got this car a few weeks ago. I bought the car locally. It was out near New York City on the Jersey side of the river. It was actually owned by a painter who got it from an elderly woman that he was doing work for. This car, I believe, has 40,000 original miles, according to the paperwork from what the guy told me, and the odometer. I'm pretty sure that is accurate. Very, very nice car. It's in pretty good shape. Excuse my clutter in the interior. A little bit of crack in the dash, but typical just driver wear. Doesn't really look like someone was using this as a show car. It's like it was really something that got driven around and used. I have all of the dog dish caps for the car. It's actually super solid. It's got perfect floors in it, no rust. It's got one repaint. I went over the car with a magnet, no Bondo in it. Pretty straight car, pretty clean. Doesn't look like it's ever been in an accident. Not the nicest of the bumpers. 77 is not really my favorite year. I'd love to have a 71 or 2, but this will work. My favorite things, the gas cap. Look at that. It's like right on the back of the car. Pull up to either side of the pump and look at that cap. There was styling involved in that. There we go. So when I got the car, it was actually sitting, luckily garaged. It was parked in the garage for probably about, I'd estimate around, I think it was probably more than 7, but less than 12 years, my guess. Our last inspection sticker on it, 2007. And when I got the car, it did not have QQ plates on it. So my guess is 07, 06 maybe, probably the last time it was on the road. The gentleman I got the car from actually told me that it had a bad trans. But what ended up being the issue, Fords, they have what's called a vacuum modulator, which helps them shift. The modulator was not hooked up. There's a little vacuum line underneath this air cleaner. Probably can't see it in the video. It's on a little metal block, but the modulator was unhooked, so the car wouldn't shift out of first gear. But I hooked the modulator back up, checked out the vacuum lines, and yeah, it runs great now. I put to get the car going, fresh fluids. It had a busted freeze-out plug, so fixed the freeze-out plug, fresh coolant, new fuel pump. Obviously, I had to put a battery in it. Let me think here. We got a new fuel pump. We got new rubber lines everywhere. New fuel filter on the carburetor. Brand new gas tank with a brand new sending unit. Thank God you can buy those. The gas tank was only about $100. The sending unit was $70-something. Almost as much as a whole fuel tank, but whatever. I got 4 brand new tires coming for this girl this week. So she'll have 4 brand new swanky 14-inch tires on her. Yeah. And I also bought a set of early 70s hubcaps for it. So it'll have a full set of caps on it. And they're probably the nicest set I could find on eBay. Best eBay had to offer. Nice solid sounding doors. Let's start her up. It's a 200 cubic inch 6-cylinder. Purrs like a kitten. It runs great. On the road, she is a very steady and stable craft. It runs great. She downshifts like it needs to. Sounds good, idles good, cruises good. The tires are pretty flat spotted though. I'm not too pleased about that. It's kind of annoying, but considering the new tires off Tire Rack are only $50 a piece, I think I'll just upgrade. Still has its original wiper blades. I've yet to turn them on. Yeah, this is a good cruising car. Not much in the horsepower department either. She takes her time getting places, but she gets there. Moves at her own pace. which is fine by me. She's all right. The gauges light up when it gets a little darker. As you can see, steering wheel's nice and centered. It's got a cute little horn too. Oh, that sounds so stupid. I will be more than likely listing this car to eBay or Facebook Marketplace. If anybody's interested, you can check it out on there if it's still available. And that pretty much concludes the overlook of my badass low mileage cream puff Maverick.